How to book an appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub. Now, in this very quick video, I'm going to show you how or where you can book an appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub. But first things first, Uber Greenlight Hub is actually a physical in-person support center where drivers and delivery partners can get face-to-face help with their accounts. So it is actually not available directly from the application or even the web version. So the one that is currently showing up on your screen right now are going to be all the specific Uber Greenlight Hub available within US. So you can also take note of this specific link so that you can just immediately book an Uber driver and go into that specific location. Now you will not be able to see that onto the Uber app. If you get here, you can just go and use this help tab option and then choose your designated reason and submit a request and what is going to be the nearest Uber Greenlight hub on your location or on your area. And that's it. That's the most convenient way for you to book an appointment with Uber Greenlight Hub.